Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to enable the AutoCorrect feature in Excel and use it to auto-correct spelling errors or enter some frequently used words by typing in abbreviations. Let's get started. How to enable AutoCorrect in Excel. Excel provides an AutoCorrect feature that automatically corrects common typing errors and misspellings. To enable and use AutoCorrect in Excel, please follow these steps. Open Microsoft Excel. Click on the File tab in the top left corner of the Excel window. Click on Options at the bottom of the left-hand menu. This will open the Excel Options dialog box. In the Excel Options dialog box, select Proofing from the left-hand side. Click AutoCorrect Options button. Under the AutoCorrect options, by default a number of checkboxes are listed and checked, showing the range of auto-corrections for the feature. Make sure the Replace Text as you type checkbox is checked. Keep in mind that specific versions of Microsoft Excel might have slightly different menu layouts or options. If you are using a more recent version of Excel, the steps may be similar, but the options might be placed in a different location. How to create auto text entries by AutoCorrect feature in Excel. Once you've enabled AutoCorrect, you can start using it as you type. If you make a common typing error or misspell a word, Excel will automatically correct it for you as you continue typing. If you want to add custom AutoCorrect entries or modify existing ones, you can do that in the same Excel Options dialog box. Go back to the AutoCorrect Options section in the Excel Options dialog box. Here, you can add your custom entries in the Replace and With fields. For example, you can add 000 in the Replace field and Out of Office in the With field. This means every time you type 000, Excel will automatically replace it with Out of Office. To add your custom AutoCorrect entry, click on the Add button, and it will appear in the list of entries below. You can also edit or remove existing AutoCorrect entries by selecting the entry in the list and clicking the Modify or Delete button, respectively. Remember that AutoCorrect works in the background as you type, and it may correct certain words that you don't want to be changed. If you find that it's causing more trouble than help, you can always disable it by unchecking the Replace Text as you type option in the Excel Options dialog box. That's it, thanks.